Today we're gonna make this hearty, delicious, easy recipe for New England clam chowder. To get started on making our clam chowder, I'm using here a Le Creuset, which is great because then I could cook everything in one dish, and I'm gonna serve it in this so it's a lot less cleanup. So here we're gonna start with 4 slices of cut up bacon. So I'm gonna cook that first. So our bacon is nice and crispy and cooked. So we're gonna take this out, put it right on a dish here. So we're gonna let it set aside. We've taken the bacon out, and now we have the bacon drippings left in there. We're gonna take our onions, add that, and our celery. So you have the bacon drippings, but I'm gonna add a little butter as well. Cook this until our onions and our celery are soft, so it's about 5 minutes. I'm also deglazing the bottom of the pan with the butter. So our onions and our celery are cooking. I'm gonna add in now 2 tablespoons of flour. Cook that for about a minute. So now we're gonna add in our liquid. We're gonna do 2 cups of clam base and 1 cup of water. So we're whisking this in. And then we're also gonna add to this from our 2 cans of our clams. Any of the juice that was reserved from the can, I've put aside as well. I'm gonna whisk that in a second. Just whisk this in. And now I have the clam juice. We're gonna add our bay leaf to this. Now we're gonna add in our potatoes. We've peeled, cleaned, diced them up. We're gonna add those 2 cups of potatoes to our liquid. We're gonna cook this uncovered for about 15 minutes because we wanna cook our potatoes before we add in everything else. So we've cooked our potatoes. You wanna make sure that they're completely cooked, so you could check them with a fork. And now we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients. So we have 2 cans of our clams. Add that. We have a cup of milk, a cup of heavy cream. We're gonna mix that together. And we're gonna put this over medium heat. We don't wanna bring it to a boil, but we wanna make sure that we're cooking that. Heating up our milk. And we're gonna stir in our cooked bacon. Just gonna cook this for a couple minutes on our medium heat, and then our soup is ready. So our soup is ready, and look, I cooked it all in one pot. Makes cleanup so much easier. Look at this. Beautiful New England clam chowder. Scoop this out for you guys so you can see. Look at that. Put a little fresh pepper. And this is ready. So leave me a comment below. Which do you like better? New England clam chowder or Manhattan clam chowder?